Hey everyone. So I hope you understood the first chapter, which was about self introduction. And today we're gonna do the next chapter, which is chapter 2. And the title is Daily Activity. So we're gonna solve topic related questions related to this daily activity. Okay. So, first thing, what we call daily activity in Korean, that is ilsang sengwal. Okay. You can also call it lifestyle. वो भी चलेगा. Okay, no? Let's see the first question. So, you remember one keyword that is almazin. क्या याद आ रहा है? कुछ याद आ रहा है? Amazon. Very good. So, इससे क्या याद रख सकते थे? Suitable, no? Or you can say correct or appropriate. Which means हमें इस question में we have to choose the suitable or correct answer. Okay? So, 저는 도서관 blank 가요. Always remember we have a grammar that is 에 가다, which means go to. Okay? So, the answer will be 저는 도서관에 가요. मैं 도서관에 में जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to 도서관. What is 도서관? So, 도서관 means library. What is 도서관? Library. How you can remember? See, लाइब्रेरी में कितने बुक्स रखे हैं? सो लाइब्रेरी में 200 बुक्स रखे हैं. कितने बुक्स? 200 बुक्स. 도서관. I hope you can remember now library. Okay. So I hope you're clear with the first question. The answer is second. 저는 도서관에 가요. Okay, no? Second. Okay, I hope you remember whenever you get questions or like options like underlined one, हमें कहाँ focus करना है? Where you have to focus? Only on the underlined part. Okay, don't look here. So you have to choose the correct one here. Okay, no? Let's try. So first one says, 로라 씨는 전화해요. It sounds correct. Okay, what is 전화해요? Doing phone call. Okay. बातचीत कर रहे हैं कहाँ पे? phone call. Okay, second is माइकल शिनन 차어요. मुझे बोलने में भी तकलीफ हो रहा है ना, which means कुछ तो गड़बड़ है ना? This is sounds fishy. Okay, we'll hold it. Okay. Third one, 민지 씨는 이야기해요. 이야기해요 means talking, 바짓. It's like person, in person. 타원 씨는 지금 means now, अभी 공부해요. So आप सबको अच्छे से 공부 करना है. 공부 means study. Okay. So if you study well, you'll clear topic, right? So this will be studying, present tense. But if we see the second one, there is no such word like 차어요. There is word similar with this like 차요. It came from 차다. 차다 means to sleep. Okay. So 차요 becomes present tense, sleeping. Okay, no? I hope you'll remember this. So second is the wrong one. Okay. Third question. So, it's written 치엔시 어디에 가요? So, 치엔지 어디 means, remember there is a Audi car, right? So, Audi car कहाँ गया? So, 어디 means remember where. Okay. 가요 means going. Where going? Going to? I mean, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Okay, no? So, second is blank. You know, if I will solve this question, मेरा क्या approach रहेगा? Like, of course, the answer will be some place noun. It will be a place noun. So I'll look for, is there any place written? First is no, there is no. Oh, 미안해요. Oh. Okay. So first, if we see the first option, there is no place. No. So eliminate. Second is no place. And then I see, okay, chibe. Chib is a place. Fourth is the correct answer. Okay. 치엔시 어디에 가요? 집에 가요. Okay. And second approach, जैसा question वैसा answer. ए खायो. It matching with ए खायो. Okay. So fourth is the correct one. but you should know everything. So let's discuss. Chayo means sleeping. Il means working. Okay. See, this il means it has lot of meaning. Okay. You can memorize like this. Il means one in Shinokore number. Okay, no? Il also means day. Okay, day. And work also. So can you remember? One day work. One day work. So il has lot of meaning in Korean. Some of you can remember here. Il means one. Il means day also. Il means work also. Okay. So one day work. Next is undong heo. Undong heo means it has lot of meaning like doing physical activity, playing, or you can say exercising, no, doing gym. A lot of like any kind of physical activity you can fit in undong heo. Okay. And the last one is chibe khayo, going to home. So this is the correct one. Clear hai? Sab kuch clear hai? Third one? Okay, good. Let's move to fourth one. So, जब भी first sentence में blank रहे ना, so try to relate with, real scenario. Okay. So, second person is saying Khongbu heo. What is Khongbu heo? Studying. So, can you imagine like in what condition you can say I'm studying? जब मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछेगा what are you doing? Right? No? कुछ ऐसा करके. So, हाक्सिंग ये हो. हाक्सिंग मीन्स स्टूडेंट है. मैच हो रहा है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं. सेकेंड वन, ओदिए खायो. कहाँ जा रहे हैं? तो किसने बोला पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं? बहुत मारेंगे, है ना? गलत है. थर्ड वन इज हाक्यो ए खायो. नो, इट्स रॉन्ग. हाक्यो मीन्स, रिमेंबर, हाक्यो मीन्स स्कूल. स्कूल को क्या बोलते हैं? हाक्यो. एंड द लास्ट वन इज ओनल मोहेयो. क्वेश्चन मार्क है ना? मो मीन्स व्हाट? You heard in K-drama, yeah, mo, right? This, no? So, onal means today. So, mo means what? Heo means doing. Aaj kya kare? What are you doing today? Okay. So, onal mo heo, kongbu heo. Okay. Studying. So, fourth is the correct one. Let's jump to 5 question. So, 5 question मैं solve कर रहा था and मुझे नज़र पड़ा. नज़र पड़ा कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे, है ना? कुछ हाईलाइट है. आनंद, कैन यू रिलेट विथ आनियो, विच मीन्स लाइक नो और रॉन्ग? याद आ रहा है कुछ? सो अगर नहीं पढ़े होते तो हमें फर्स्ट ही वाला सही लगता, राइट? थावन शी इच्छिगम मोहेयो खुंगबू हेयो. लेट्स मूव टू 6. मार पड़ेगी, है ना? सो पढ़ना है. ओके, याद रखना है. क्या? ये सब कीवर्ड्स. Okay, no? So whenever you see anen, underline, which means you have to choose the wrong one. Okay. So Tawon shi 지금 뭐해요? 지금 means now. 뭐해요? What are you doing? Okay. 뭐 means what? 해요 means doing. So 지금 뭐해요? Which means what are you doing now? You know. So we know very well the correct answer will be 공부 해요, like all kind of verbs, right? So we have to eliminate that. Matlab, we have to choose the wrong one, no? So 공부 해요, no, eliminate. 전화 해요, phone call. Remember? तो ये तो correct है, but we have to choose the wrong one. Eliminate. इयागी 해요, talking. ये भी सही है, but answer में तो wrong choose करना है. 회사원이에요. अब कुछ अलग आया, है ना? 회사원 means company employee. So I am a company employee. So क्वेश्चन कुछ और है, हम आंसर कुछ और दे रहे हैं, राइट? फोर्थ इज द करेक्ट वन. ओके, सेकेंड अप्रोच क्या हो सकता है? सी व्हाट वी कैन डू. देयर इज हेयो, विच मीन्स माई आंसर कांट एंड विथ हेयो. सो यहाँ हेयो है एलिमिनेट, हेयो है एलिमिनेट, हेयो है एलिमिनेट. आई विल गो विद दिस. ओके, so this is you can do, but better read the all options. Okay, no? 자, let's move to 6 question number. 타원 씨는 학교에 가요. So 타원 जी कहाँ जा रहे हैं? स्कूल जा रहे हैं क्या? 학교 가요 means school, 가요 means going. 타원 going to school? 아니요. First one is 안 가요, not going. आप पक्का इसको एलिमिनेट करोगे कि नहीं नहीं ये तो सही है. नो नो नो. ओके, अभी होल्ड इट, होल्ड इट. लेट्स सी द सेकंड वन. 집에 가요. It's correct. So eliminate. 학교 가요. It's correct. Eliminate. 도서관에 가요. 도서관, 도서, library. Right? It's also wrong. Okay? If you see an 가요, actually it's wrong. Okay? So it's the correct one. We have to choose the wrong one, no? So an खायो. I can understand you will get confusion here. सर हम ऐसे भी तो बोल सकते हैं ना, आनी हो आन खायो. नहीं नहीं जा रहे. नो नहीं. अगर मैं नहीं चाह रहा होता तो ये आनियो यहाँ पे नहीं होना चाहिए था. जस्ट योर आंसर विल बी आन खायो. बट यहाँ पे तो आनियो है, विच मीन्स दिस इज द आंसर. ओके, 6th क्वेश्चन आप एक बार और इसको है ना, इफ यू वॉच वन मोर टाइम यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. ओके, लेट्स सी द सेकंड 7th क्वेश्चन. Okay, you have two options. Okay, when the passage is small, जब passage छोटा है ना, you have two options. You can directly read the question then jump to the passage or vice versa. Okay, because passage बहुत छोटा है तो you can save time in both. Okay, no, it's up to you. So आपको किस में ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस है आप वो करना. मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा, मैं पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगा. ओके, सो यूकिशिनन ओदिए खायो. ओके, तो मेरा आंसर में मुझे क्या ढूंढना पड़ेगा, दो चीज. व्हाट इज दैट? फर्स्ट आई विल लुक फॉर यूकी डायलॉग. ओके, सेकंड आई विल लुक फॉर प्लेस नाउन बिकॉज इट्स सेइंग ओदिए खायो, वेयर गोइंग, विच मीन्स यूकी कहाँ जा रहे, वेयर आर यू गोइंग. सो टू थिंग्स आई हैव टू फाइंड. कैन वी चेक द यूकी डायलॉग? यस, दिस इज द यूकी dialogue. And is Yuki mentioning about any place? Of course. What is that? 회사에 가요. 저는 회사에 가요. I'm going to company. So second is the correct one. 회사 is company. Remember, 회사, company. 회사원, company employee. Next is 학교. क्यों, school क्यों जाना है ना, 학교. 집 means home. सौजम, सौजम हो सकता है याद नहीं हो, बट सौजम इज बुक स्टोर. ओके, याद रखना है. ओके, नो, सौजम बुक स्टोर. सो आई होप यू गॉट द 7 आंसर. यूकिशिनन ओदिए खायो, 회사에 खायो. डिड यू ऑब्जर्व हाउ आई सेव टाइम? अगर मैं वापस पैसेज में जाता आंसर ढूंढने के लिए, देन आई कुड हैव रीड मार्क डायलॉग ऑल्सो, आई कुड हैव रीड यूकी एंड देन ऑल्सो मार्क. नो, डोंट डू दैट. Check what the demand of question is. Okay, then you can jump to the passage. 8th one, we have to choose the correct one. Let's see how we can do. Mark Shinan ilheo. Kiska dialogue we will check? We will check Mark dialogue. Where is Mark dialogue? We have two. This is also, this is also. So it's talking about ilheo. There is heo? No. Okay. 공부해요. There is no mentioning about ilheo, which means it's wrong. Eliminate that. Yuki shinen 공부해요. Is Yuki studying? Is there any 공부해요? No. Yuki also 일해요, working. Okay, eliminate that. Yuki shinen 집에 가요. Let's take Yuki dialogue. 집에 가요, 아니요, 회사에 가요. Right? It's wrong one. Mark shinen 학교에 가요. Check Mark dialogue. 저는 학교에 가요. Okay, it's correct. 4th is the correct one. Okay, no? So, इस तरह के questions को ना solve it very carefully. If you just miss one thing, you can end with choosing wrong answer. So you have to be very careful. Okay? Good. Let's see the 9th question. What it's saying? 저는 오늘 학교에 가요. So I'm going to school. 학교에 가요 means going where? Going to school. What is 오늘? 오늘 means today. So I'm going to school today, or today I'm going school. 공부해요, studying. पढ़ाई कर रहे. 공원에 가요. What is 공원? जहाँ घूमने के लिए पैसा लगे, है ना? What is that? Park. Okay. How you can remember? 공 won. Won means Korean currency, no? Kongwon, घूमने के लिए पैसा. Park. Okay. Next is Kongwon에 가요. Going to park. 가요 means going to. 전화해요. Phone call, doing phone call. 집에 가요. Going to home या going home. 운동해요. I'll take as exercise. Exercising. Okay. Okay, exam में इतना नहीं करना है. Okay, no, we'll see the question. So 9 you have to choose the right one. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आए, choose the right one. So it's written, first one is so okay, which means introduction. Basically 9 question is asking what they are talking about. Okay. So okay, introduction. क्या ये अपना introduction दे रहा है? Yes, it sounds like that. Okay. It's talking about daily activity. Oh, so यहाँ पे इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं दे रहा, डेली एक्टिविटी के बारे में. एंड डेली एक्टिविटी कौन सा है? इल्सांग. इल्सांग मीन्स डेली एक्टिविटी. ओके. सो आपने देखा कैसे मुझे थोड़ा सा चेंज आया कि नहीं इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं हो सकता. इंट्रोडक्शन में नाम भी हो सकता है, बट ये तो डेली एक्टिविटी जैसे लग रहा है. इट्स लाइक इट्स इज डेली लाइफ स्टाइल. लाइफ स्टाइल. So remember, Ilsang, which is our chapter name. Ilsang means daily activity or lifestyle. Chikop, job. Chikop, job. Kukchok, nationality. Okay. So don't get confused with introduction and daily activity. If he is talking about introduction, there should be like Che Remun, so, and then I'm a company employee, these things will be there. But he's talking about the daily lifestyle. Okay. Let's see the question number 10, which is last question. So what it's saying about? 이 글을 नहीं याद आ रहा, नहीं समझ में आ रहा. बट टीचर ने मुझे एक चीज बताया था. ओ थारन मीन्स डिफरेंट. ओके. So this is how the keywords help you to solve the questions. Tharan means different or other. You can say the odd one. Okay. So 운동해요. Matching 운동해요. Yes, there was 운동해요. Eliminate that. 식당에 가요. 식당. No, 공원에 가요. Okay, so it can be the answer. Hold it. 공원에 가요. यहाँ पे था क्या? 공원? Yes. Eliminate that. 학교에 가요. Yes, there was school. 학교에 가요? Yes. So which is the odd one? Second question. Second is the answer. Okay. This is how you can solve topic related questions based on the topic, lifestyle, or you can say daily activity. Okay. So please watch this video multiple times or revise it multiple times. Check the vocabs which you don't know. Okay. And this is how you can solve the paper. Okay. So see you at the next chapter, which is about location and position. Okay. 감사합니다.